All right, guys, let's continue refactoring. So, lastly, we had this service which is helping us to create a task, right? So, if you look at here, we have the create task. And if you go to main, we are calling this service from the main. That made already things tidier and more modular, but we are gonna go further. So, we have this task folder here. So what are we going to do here? We're going to define a repository. And here we are going to define an interface, repository interface. So interface is only abstraction in Golang. So it's the Golang, one of the simplest languages you can learn, which is super powerful, but also very simple. So the other languages have different abstractions and they behave differently, but Go has only interfaces, which makes everything super simple. It goes even beyond that. So it has the interface and it is implicitly used. So you don't need to go whatever struct or in the other languages class is implementing that interface. They don't need to indicate the implement keyword. So it just happens if the interface has the methods and your object is having all these methods, then it is automatically implementing the interface. So this is going to only have the create, and it is going to have the model task, and it is going to return the model task and the error. So that's it. Whatever concrete type you have implementing this method, it is fulfilling all the requirements for the abstraction. So that's it. So when we come here in the service, as you look at here, we have the details from Postgres, which is not good because it's our domain layer. So we have our business logic here. But for example, returning ID is only specific to Postgres, and all these details are specific to databases. So we don't want this. So what do we do here? Instead of having this, we say repository. So we use the interface here. And here also we define repository. We need to inject into the service this repository, whatever concrete type is implementing this, that will work with us. And we won't need these details anymore. So let's get this comment out for now. So we're gonna only say create, and we're gonna give this, and we're gonna return this, and that will be it. The service will know too little about the implementation details, and it will be decoupled from the Postgres